We often think about size, but do we really understand it? Our Earth, for example, is big. But how big is it really? Well, compared to our Sun, the most notable star around us, the Earth is actually quite small. Our Sun is almost 1.4 million kilometers in diameter, while our Earth is only 12,742 kilometers in diameter. This sounds like a big difference, but it's tough to visualize at this scale. So, let's shrink things down, making our Earth the size of a mere golf ball. At this scale, the Sun would be over 15 feet wide, and we'd be able to fit 1.3 million golf ball-sized Earths inside of it. That's enough golf balls to completely fill up 2 school buses. But our Sun is a tiny star. In fact, there are many much larger stars in our galaxy. Arcturus, for example, is a star that measures over 36 million kilometers wide. Shrunken down to scale, if Earth was a golf ball, Arcturus would be wider than a football field, and 22.6 billion Earths could fit inside of it. This is a number which is tough to fully comprehend. If you were to count one golf ball-sized Earth every second, it would take you 716 years to count all the golf ball-sized Earths that could fit inside of Arcturus. That's enough golf balls, by the way, to completely fill up that football field and golf balls 565 feet deep. However, another star named Deneb is larger still. If the Earth was a golf ball, Deneb would be as tall as the Burj Khalifa, and 10.9 trillion Earths could fit inside of it. Counting at 1 a second, it would take you 346,000 years to count them all, and is enough golf balls to completely fill up the Superdome with golf balls, 126 times. Deneb isn't the biggest star we know of, though, for there is one far larger than we can ever imagine, and that star is named Canis Majoris. If the Earth was a golf ball, Canis Majoris would be the size of Mount Everest. 3.74 quadrillion Earths could fit inside of it, and even our Sun would be nothing more than a barely visible speck in relation to this unimaginably big star. If you were to count one Earth per second, it would take you 119 million years to count all of the Earths that could fit inside of Canis Majoris. That's enough golf balls, by the way, to completely cover the state of Texas in golf balls, 5 times over. And yet, Canis Majoris is only one of the hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy. And our galaxy is only one of the now believed to be over 2 trillion galaxies that make up our universe. Now that is big.